A lot of it depends what you're getting off. If you get it completely, the problem with getting when you've got mould and stuff on paper and cardboard, it means it's got damp and it often wrinkles. And the way that you would not get it off, you risk upsetting the structural integrity of the paper and making it wrinkle. You can dry it and flatten it by putting something on it to flatten, and just make sure it's bone dry, and then dust it off, which is probably going to cause the least harm to the paper. Moulds need a degree of damp to survive, and if it is bone dry, they won't, and then you just wipe it and dust it off. If it's marked, you can try gently spritzing with something like a little mild solution of bleach or a mild solution of peroxide, but you're only doing that for the bleaching action, and you'd have to spritz and blot very carefully with kitchen paper. I mean, the person to ask really wouldn't be me, it would be a conservator, because that's what they do for a living. I'm going to get the worst off and pray, and I'm quite happy to read a slightly smelly, wrinkly book if it's really interesting. But yeah, it does depend. Well, the other thing the problem is, you can also put it in sunlight, which really helps, but it also makes the paper turn yellow. So it depends what it is and how precious. But if it is precious, ask a conservator.